In this video, I'll show you guys how you can pick an Instagram giveaway winner. So right now, I'm going to show you how you can randomly select a winner from your Instagram giveaway post. So for that, all you need to do is go over to Google and then search for pick a winner Instagram. Now once you do that, you should be able to find this website right there, app-Swordtails. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but it's right there, Swordtails. Okay, so go to this website. Next up, go over to your Instagram giveaway post and then copy the link from that post. Now once you've done that, you can go over to this website and you can then paste that link in there. Now all you need to do next is click on start right here, and it's basically gonna process your post, and once that's done, you can actually do this. Okay, so they're gonna randomly select a winner. So click on start right there, and this might take a while, but basically what they're gonna do right now is they're gonna analyze all of the comments, gather all the data, and then once they're done doing that, you can actually randomly select a winner. So I'll get back to you once this is done processing, which shouldn't take too long. And there you go. So right here you can see all the comments. Now before choosing a winner, you want to click on settings and then you can customize this. So you can exclude duplicates. So if there are people commenting multiple times, you can eliminate them. So, I mean, you cannot eliminate them totally, but just those extra comments. But you can customize this to your giveaway rules, basically. So I'll just confirm this. And right now, I'm going to click on start right here. And what they're going to do now is select a winner at random. So let's see who it is. There you go. So in this case, this would be the winner. And that's how you can basically pick a winner for free for your Instagram giveaway. If you then scroll down, you can also get a certificate right there. If you click on that, you'll actually see this right here. So you'll see the offer, the type, participants, date and time, and then the winner right there. So that's how you can do this. If this quick video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That would help me out, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.